Welcome to the next generation of manufacturing excellence. Introducing the campaign planning tool, a state-of-the-art solution designed to revolutionize how industries optimize their production schedules. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how this innovative tool can maximize equipment utilization, reduce changeovers, and minimize demand lateness. In today's fast-paced manufacturing environments, challenges like delayed deliveries, inefficient changeovers, and underutilized equipment can significantly hinder the productivity and profitability. Sounds familiar? You're not alone. Many manufacturers struggle to find the perfect balance between these competing priorities. That's where the campaign planning tool steps in. Powered by an advanced AI-driven algorithms, this tool strategically groups similar production batches and aligns them with the optimal time slots. This solution is valid for industries like pharmaceuticals, packaging, and many more. It's your ultimate partner for streamlined operations and on-time deliveries. Here's how the campaign planning tool works. It aligns with customer deadlines to schedule campaigns which meet delivery commitments, ensuring happy customers. Minimizing changeovers by grouping similar production batches, it reduces equipment cleaning and setup times. It maximizes equipment utilization by smart sequencing. It ensures machines run at peak capacity, hence minimizing idle time. With the campaign planning tool, you can achieve up to 25% reduction in demand lateness, 20% fewer changeovers, saving time and costs, improved equipment efficiency and throughput, and a significant boost to overall operation performance. The campaign planning tool integrates effortlessly with your existing ERP systems. Whether you're a small business or a global enterprise, this scalable solution adapts to meet your needs. Ready to optimize your manufacturing operations? The campaign planning tool is here to help you reduce waste, improve efficiency, and meet your business goals. Contact us today to learn more or schedule a demo.